Whoa, baby, come on out of the water here. Oh yeah, it's a cuda. Whoa, baby, come on. Ah. All right, I'm at the end of the line here. Whoa, it's a big cuda. All right. I'm glad, well, I would have let that thing go anyways, but what happens is those have got a disease in them. How do you pronounce that disease, Sandy?
Sitagera.
Sitagera. Big ones have Sitagera. Little ones may have Sitagera too. And you know what? We wouldn't have eaten him anyways because of that. They have a lot of the fish in the Bahamas now have this Sitagera. And you can get really sick from it. Reef fish do. And so I'm glad he got off. But it was a good fight while it lasted. Jump. Jump. How deep do you think this is? Not very deep.
No.
You
Only a couple feet at the most. Look at here. You see the big crack? This piece is gonna break off sooner than later. Look at that.
Hey, listen. What about you want to go for a swim here?
No, it's too rocky, I think, John.
Good for snorkeling, man. Harder on starboard. Okay, row. 1, 2, come on. Look at. We're reverting to this because of the fuel prices. More to port. More on port. More on port. Okay. Good. Come on, put some muscle into that.
I did the hard part. I caught the current coming around the corner. Look at the design, starboard, on the roof from the water coming down. How very cool. It looks like somebody painted it or something. Interesting.
Oh, there's a hole in this one.
And then we got a little hole all the way up there. Very nice.
When they get that force coming through here, you know, and we're at low tide here. Well, we're heading into low tide. You can see the watermark there. Beautiful though. David Copperfield doesn't own the high water mark, okay? So we're allowed to go up here. I just want to get these ones with the slides on it.